Uyo namia usagrada yakutu yeso uyo namia usagrada yakutu Hello, lovely viewers. You are very welcome to this channel. You are very welcome to this channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to solo over chord changes. How to solo over chord changes. If you can watch the video from the beginning, I was singing Uyo Nyamia Uzatrada, and I did a little solo in the middle of the chord. Yes, I was soloing over the chord changes. You see, some people try to learn guitar solo, but they find it difficult to apply it on chord changes. And today we are going to discuss about that issue. You see, to solo over chord changes, you need some little techniques to guide you. Number one, you have to know the progression of the chord that the song is singing. You have to know the progression of the chord that the song is singing. Number one. So the Uyo Nyame, you have to, it started from 1. The do chord, then you go to the 5, the dominant chord, that is the so, then you go to the 4, the 4 chord, that is the fa, then you come to the 5, the dominant again, then you go to the 1. So you have to make sure your solo should go according to this progression. Your solo should go according to this progression. Uyo Nyamia Uzatrada Yakutu Yeso if you can watch my solo, I was going according to the progression of the song. If you can watch my solo, I was going according to the progression of the song. So how do I manage to do all this? Yes, you see sometimes the progression of the song is the musical ears. Your musical ears to guide you to do this, but sometimes if you are not mature enough in the musical ears, one thing is you have to know how to play the song. Oh, yo, nyamia. You see, oh, yo, nyamia. Oh, sakrada. Yeah, kutuo. Na yeso. If you can play the song like this in this kind of melodical way, you can form that note into solo, and that note, if you form this note into solo, I bet you are going to hit the target of the chord progression. You see, if you form the melody of the song, then the lyrics of the song, the note that you play, form it as a solo, and you can hit the target of the note exactly that the song is singing, because the note and the chord are the same. So you'll be playing the solo, but the song is singing in your head. So anytime Usakrada, so when you play the solo, you know this is Usakrada. When you play the solo, you know that here is Yakutu. When you play the solo, then sorry, then you come to the do. You see, so let's try something and see. So you saw what I did. I was soloing according to the progression of the song. And how I managed to do it, my solo, I wasn't playing anything difficult. I was just playing the song, but it's just being dynamic. Like, Uyo Nyamia. I play. The Usakrada I play. Pada pada da da da. You see, so the way I play it, Usakrada, but I did it I did it. Yeah, kutu. Yeah, kutu. So the yeah kutu. I didn't play the yeah kutu. I did it. Da 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 da. I did. You see. So if you can listen to the solo, I wasn't playing anything difficult as the solo. I wasn't playing anything difficult, but I was just hitting the target and the target of the note in the song and the lyrics that the song is singing. I was just hitting that note, but I was changing it as a solo. So to solo over chord changes, there is no need for you to be worried. You don't know you are trying to create something and the thing you are creating doesn't go with the chord in the music, then you are finding it difficult. It's like you are struggling to do all this. Charlie, don't worry. After them, yeah, kutu na yeso ori. You don't play. Uyo nyamia. Pa pa parada parada. Uyo nyamia. Usakrada papa parada parada. They come yeah kutu. Yeah, sorry. You see, so the way I taught you, easy is not anything difficult. It's not anything difficult. This is not anything difficult, but it's about you doing the right thing, changing the note into solo. It's about you changing the note of the lyrics into solo, and the solo should be the same note, but it should be dynamics. It should be what? Dynamics. Yes, it should be dynamics. So if you can do this, you are free to hit the target of the chord changes in the song that you want to play the solo. So if you try this, it's going to work, I bet you, because if you are trying to create something different from your mind, different from the chord that the song is singing, you are going to play off. So people play solo and they always go off. People play solo, they always go off. So if you follow this procedure, you are going to hate it. Thank you very, very much for watching. Thank you very, very much for watching. But please subscribe for more videos. Bye.